What have we done, Ilse? What have we done? Meet Ilse Van Den Berg, a self-confessed slowpoke and first-time track driver. I'll be showing her the basics of track driving and improving her lap time around Zwartkops in just 15 laps. The car we'll be driving is this, the limited edition Clio RS 18. It's the perfect track day car with its built-in telemetry and lap timer, cup suspension and 162 kilowatt turbo engine. It's your first time around the track?
First time around the track.
Do you know how to use paddle shifts?
I think I've used it once before.
So, first things first, make sure that all the aids are still on and that you've got all the nannies active so that if you do make a mistake, you don't go flying into the boonies. Second thing, make sure that you are relaxed, well fed, you had a good night's sleep the night before ideally, but I know you're would have been excited, so it's kind of negotiable. I know I was a bit excited last night. Just checking out which way the corners go. The last thing you want is to come up to a corner, think it's a right, and then it's a left. Okay, we got some traffic. These guys are obviously going much faster than us at the moment, and that's okay. There's nothing wrong with being the slowest guy on the track, but there is something wrong with being the guy with the car that's upside down. So staying nice and smooth through all the corners, but brake nice and early, and always leave enough space just in case something goes wrong. Somebody getting a bit squirrely under brakes here. Now, this is going to be your first session of the day, so you just want to get to know the car, the track, and be as safe as possible. I'm not going to say a thing, you're just going to drive around the track, and whatever lap time you do alone, we can improve that by 5 seconds.
Okay, sounds good.
You know what? I'm feeling bold. We can improve that by 7 seconds.
I'm feeling scared.
Yeah, probably a good idea to put your seatbelt on. Rule number 1, put your seatbelt on. Okay, that's a little tight.
Are you scared?
No, not at all. This is Ilse's final lap 9 this session. With Ilse's first session complete, I was confident we could chop off a big chunk of time by just fixing some small mistakes. I think we can take 10 seconds of that lap time. So first things first, seating position is critical, and I think that was one of the things you weren't doing right early on. Always look ahead, look through the corner. The line is basically how you take the corner, and the rule is out, in, out, and be as smooth as possible. You were going in early on, and that's why I was sitting like this. Okay, here we go. So now
Out, in, out.
Out, in, out. So I'm going to go a little bit faster this time. In.
Ah.
Yeah. And then out. Out, in.
Woo.
Things first, let's get that seating position right.
Seating?
Yeah. Put your wrists on top of the steering wheel.
Fine.
Slot your thumbs in the gaps. Cool. Here we
Okay.
go. Now we're ready. Okay, as smooth as possible. With your steering, no jerky movements. Everything's silky smooth. Nice. Out. Keep that speed. Keep that speed. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Stay wide. Stay wide. Stay wide. I see it. Now turn in nice and sharp here. There we go. That's what I want. You see that?
Yeah.
On the power. Go. 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 Stay wide. Stay wide. Stay wide. Stay wide. Now turn in. Nice. Get on the power now. Go. 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 135. Nicely done. With some small changes, Ilse was able to drop 7 seconds, but couldn't go any faster because of traffic. With just one more session left, we somehow had to find 3 seconds, but Ilse was confident she could make the RS 18 go even faster. Brake hard here. Nice. Carry a little bit more speed through here. A little bit more speed. Nicely done. More speed on the exit. Speed on the exit. There we go. Nicely done. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So this is our final chance to get this done. I think we can get some. Smoothly. Keep right. Keep right. There we go. 120. We're gonna brake hard. We're gonna brake hard. We're gonna brake hard for 120. Brake hard. Brake hard. Turning on the power. On the power. Smoothly on the power. Early on the power here. Go. 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 Go, Ilse. Go. 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 Remember, we're gonna brake by 120 here. Nice and hard on the brakes. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. And brake hard. 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 Turning nice and late here. Turning nice and late. On the power. On the power, Ilse. Go. 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 And finish. 126.9. 126.9. Hands again. Show us your hands. Show us your hands again. a lot of those people weren't able to keep up with these sections. That's how you drop 15 seconds on a track.